Happy Independence Day, everybody. I hope you guys are having a safe, wonderful 4th of July. Thought I'd get on here right before this last video from our trip from Minneapolis to Florida. Still had one more video, never finished it. So we got it all together. We're ready to get it started and finish this trip. Great trip. So thanks for everyone that's watching our last couple of videos. So let's get to the final leg of the trip. We're here at my job. You want to check it out? They're getting everything boarded up. Gotta go to work. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh man, 7:35 in the a.m. Saturday, Calhoun, Georgia. Excuse me. At the golly, sorry. At the pilot. Well, not really. A little Hardee's right here. Some janky little hotel we stayed. Couldn't find a hotel for nothing last night. Oh man, 745 miles yesterday. Iowa City, Iowa, Calhoun, Georgia. Crashed out about 1-ish. All of a sudden I'm getting a wake up call.
Last night, don't
Wake up call, 6 a.m. Let's roll. Oh Lord. All right, let's go. Let's get this done, man. We still got 500 something miles from here, Calhoun, to Plant City. I don't know, man. We just need to go. I'm about, I've only burned out a quarter tank of fuel, so mileage check, we're at 960 miles. Oh, he's ready to roll. 960 miles, total miles, last couple days, so. We just gotta get this trip over with, man. I'm struggling right now. So, alright, let's get on the road. 75 south. Let's go. We'll pass right by exit 71 in Georgia. 75 south. About another hour, we'll be back in Florida. Mile check at 1,208 miles. up to the rest area just a little ways back. Just kind of a stretching around. You know, just starting to struggle, man. Sitting in here, just like getting tired. But get out and walk around, get the blood flowing a little bit, which was good. But we were talking about, like, you know, we're making one more stop. Where are we stopping?
10 miles to Lake City, Florida.
So we talked about, you know, Lake City, you know, right there at the TA. Maybe a little bit farther. What was the other one we kind of said? Oh man, I can't remember. It wasn't that far into Florida. It was maybe like an hour into Florida. Just get that one last stop to push it through. You know, we got to get all the way to Plant City to drop these trucks off. Then bring us back into Spring Hill. Then we can go home. Enjoy the rest of the day, what will be left of it. Got Sunday off. Back to work on Monday. I was going to ask if anybody else has heard about this. We were going around Atlanta. There's the 5 of us, and I was fourth in line. We're on 285, you know, going around, you know, on the bypass. And the guy that's up front, he decides he's going to cut off, and he's telling us to take I-20 east. Then that'll dump you onto 75. He says it's quicker. I never heard of it, don't believe it, and then me and the guy behind me, we stayed on, and in the end, you know, they got like a mile in front of us, you know. I don't know if anybody else has ever heard about that, doing that. Is that a thing? Is that legit? But I don't know. I mean, does it, if like when you're getting back on the 75, does it, or it kind of gets, you know, slowed down a little bit from the bypass, do you just bypass all that possibly? Possibility. I don't know. We had to get ourselves get a little set of tools a little bit ago at the Jackson Loves there. It looked like I was starting to lose a wheel seal on the truck, brand new, and because I've been, since yesterday, just a little bit of oil you've seen on the wheel, not a lot, just a little bit. So we got some tools and just cranked down them bolts of that seal, and there was 2 bolts on there that were like super loose. So the seal may be fine, but that's just crazy. Brand new truck, man. Wheel seal leaking. Well, supposedly he's got Kenworth that's going to come out and look at that thing on Monday, so, you know, it's all good. But that's just crazy. A brand new freaking truck, you know. But I can say this trip's been a pretty good trip. It's been a couple long days. It's going to still be another big push. From where we're at right now, it's about almost 300 miles to Plant City, so probably get us there about 6-ish. So we're ready to be done. But we'll catch back up when we cruise into Florida.
Fine, we've been waiting to see.
back. The free state of Florida.
There's 97 miles left.
Man, we got like 200 something miles to go.
No fucking flat.
Ready to go, ready to go. Pretty uneventful trip. The way it's got to be, right? That's how we like it. Pretty nice day. Truck says it's 98 degrees outside. Sounds about right. Gotta make that last fuel stop. Doing good. We're doing good. Well, we've basically done it. We're about, I'd say about 8 miles or so from our drop off. Drop off meaning drop this truck off. Oh man. Basically had to go I-75 all the way to I-4. Jump on I-4 east. And like the very next exit, get off. About to make a left right here and drive down about, I don't know, 5 or 6 lights, make another right, and then boom, we're there, done. Mileage right now, 1,490. So by the time we get there, we're going to be about 1,500. Woo! That's a trip. It's about, we'll be there about 6:30. And be done. All in all, I think it was a pretty good little trip, you know, uneventful. And yeah, the last way station that we had to cross, like there's all 5 of us in a row, and I was the only one, like it's all the weigh-in motions, you know, and I was the only one that got pulled onto the scale, pulled me on the scale and sat there for about 15 seconds, and it was like empty. I'm not loaded with anything, and just like, what are we doing here, people, you know? I was waiting for him to say something because, you know, no tags on the truck. I mean, we got a, you know, paper tag. It's on the dash, but they just finally, after a little while, gave me the green light. And down the road we went. There was a couple times today, man. I was struggling, pretty tired. I know I keep saying that, right? But we stopped for our last fuel stop at the Lowe's in Ocala. Got out and walked around for a little bit. So that was good. Now we got another second, third, fourth, fifth wind for the day. Knowing that we're almost done. We got a ride. Our ride is actually, there's another truck. The other 3 trucks, we lost them. They're way up there. The other guy's behind me. He's never been here, but our ride is actually behind him. So the boss's wife. So she'll take us back. Serena will pick me up and sleep in my bed tonight. Woo. That'll be nice. Thanks for cruising along with me from Hayfield, Minnesota, all the way down to Plant City, Florida. About 1,500 miles. Thanks for watching, guys. Until our next video, stay safe, guys.
One minute, I'm gonna put you right up on the slab, right up there. Go around that way, Connor, and back in, okay?
Compare.
To Texas suck.
Well,
Compared to
Texas was out of the norm, though. I'm just saying, out of these,